Hey, good afternoon everyone. So in this session, we will try to add or insert at least 3 records, and then we will try to modify and then delete at least one. But the first thing that we need to do is to first, of course, to insert a records. So to insert, go to query database and then use the insert command. So insert into then the table that you wanted to be in table into tbl, the table that you wanted to be to add a record in it, then the values, then the next line put an open parenthesis, and then their data. So its student number is, so since it is an integer, do not put a single quotation mark, instead use a comma after, and then last name de la Cruz, comma, then Domingo, so this time we will use the single quotation mark because it is a text. Then Domingo, and then his first name is 1, and then comma, his age, so let's say 21, then date of birth. So this time in the date of birth we will use the single quotation mark, so that the date of birth will be inputted properly in our database or into our record. Date of birth, let's say April 15, 1999. So once you are done, and close the parenthesis and then terminate with a semicolon. Okay, let's check. So statement successfully executed. So let's add 2 more. I'll just edit the record. So 202, let's say 202, then his is the number, and then his last name, let's say Articolo, then Tolentino, in the same format, of course, and then my first name is Mark, and then my age, let's say 20, and then my birthday is August 8, and then year 2001. So let's check. So the statement successfully executed. So let's add 1 more. So 203, say 203, and then let's say Dimagiba, his last name, and then his middle name is Kachola. And then let's say Pedro. And then say 20, and then his birth date is January 28th. So discovery, and successfully executed. So let's check first before modifying the record. Let's check. Sorry. So other database. So let's check if our record was inputted properly or successfully. So as you can see, that is the record that we input through the use of a query. And then the second thing that we need to do is to modify the third record. So his first name is Pedro, so let's change it into Peter. So go to the database and then query database. So to modify the record, use the update command, update table tbl student, then set first name is equal to, so instead of Pedro we will use the Peter, and then the single quotation mark, where student number, so specify the record that you wanted to edit, student, where student number is equal to 203. So once you're done, put a semicolon. So let's check, statement successfully executed. So let's see if his first name was changed into Peter, tbl student, and then browse. So as you can see, it is successfully modified. So let's try this time. Let's try to delete the second table. So to delete the record, use the delete command, delete, then from that specify the table that you wanted to delete, where from tbl student, then again specify the record that you wanted to be deleted. So where student number is equals to 202. So once you're done, terminate with a semicolon. So let's check. So there is an error from, and then so once you're done, let's check the statement successfully executed. So let's see if it is deleted into our record. So go to the table student, and then browse. So as you can see, before we have three records, but now we have two because it is successfully deleted. So that's all. Thank you.